everyone has the feeling of self, feeling of I. And with that, feeling of pains and pleasure. And through that way, by nature, everyone wants happiness, pleasure, joyfulness. Even an animal. Same feeling, same sort of desire. And since it's experience of pain, we do not want. So we want to overcome pains, problems. And that's the basis of our concept of human right. Because by nature, we have that kind of desire. So everyone have the right to overcome problem, overcome suffering. Now here I think, on because the human level, I usually, share with people the ultimate source of peace of mind, happiness in mental level is within ourselves. Not money, not power, not status. Some of my friends, maybe billionaire, very rich, but as a person, very unhappy person. The plenty of money fail to bring inner peace. And also those people who are very powerful, I think in deep inside, a lot of anxiety, a lot of stress, a lot of fear, distrust. So material value will not bring real inner joyfulness, or inner peace. So the only thing is affection or warm-heartedness. That really brings inner strength, self-confidence. That reduces fear. That develops friendship, trust. Trust brings friendship. We are a social animal. The genuine cooperation among each other is very necessary. Genuine cooperation entirely based on trust. Trust is there. Then, naturally bring together. So therefore, once you see within yourself, more compassionate mind, heartedness, whole atmosphere become more positive, more friendly. Through that way, you see, when you look at the front, you feel, oh, my friend. Look this side, oh, friend. This side also. If you keep here fear, distrust, and you yourself make little distance from other, then that person look here, oh, little suspicion, distrust, more cautious. Look here, again cautious. Look here, again cautious. As a result, deep inside, lonely feeling. Then the problem, blood pressure, too much stress, all these come. One occasion, I think in New York, Columbia University or something, there's one sort of conference with medical scientists. Yesterday, also I mentioned, at that conference, one medical scientist in his sort of was a presentation, he mentioned those people who express often I, my, mine, like that. So such people have greater chance or greater risk of heart attack. He didn't explain why. But I felt it is quite true, as I mentioned earlier. Deep inside, fear, distrust, and you yourself always remain a little distance from the rest of the human brothers, sisters. That brings loneliness. And then difficult to communicate with other human beings. After all, you are a social animal. You are part of the community. You have to deal with them. But the very very factor which your interest or your future depend, because of your own inner weakness, you yourself isolate from them. How can that person be a happy person? So more worry, more stress. Sometimes I describe the too much self-centered attitude, too much selfish, close our inner door. Through that way, difficult to communicate with other fellow human beings. Once develop more sort of sense of concern of well-being of other brothers, sisters, then inner door automatically open. And very easy to communicate with other people. Irrespective whether believer or non-believer, these quality or potential from birth we already have. I think firstly, here, perhaps a few thousand people here, everybody come from our mother. So sometimes in India, some sort of stories, some very great person or some saint, you see, born from lotus. So sometimes I jokingly telling people, so such people may have more compassionate attitude towards lotus rather than human being. But anyway, and fortunately, we born from our mother. So as soon as we born, by biological factor, both sides, mother side and child side, some kind of immense sort of feeling of closeness, trust. So from mother side, because of that strong emotion of loving kindness or affection, brought energy from mother in order to protect or in order to care, in order to take care of our child. That's a biological factor. Not come from religion, religious faith. Look, animal, no religion, no constitution, no police force. But biological factor, the mother like a cat or dog or bird, biologically, you see, they have tremendous sort of affection, sense of concern of their offspring. So biologically, we equipped that kind of sort of affection. So any person or any animal who sort of appreciate others' affection, that also have the potential to show affection to others.